In this video, I will show you how to make sure the caption align with voice in CapCut. So if you want to align your caption with voice in the CapCut, let me show you step by step how to do it. So after you open the CapCut like this, so the first thing to do before you go to the caption creation section, you need to right click on the voice. After you right click on your voice, then you go to create compound clip. So now if you create compound clip for the voice, then you go to caption. After you go to the caption section, now you select the language of your video. For my own language is English. So just go and select the language. So after you select the language for your video, then you click on this generate button. So from there now you allow it to finish generating. So the reason why you have to just create the compound clip for the voice. If you create compound clip for the voice, from there your voice and the caption will be aligned in your video. And that's it, guys. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one. So now you go ahead now and play the video and see.
Platinum.
As you can see now, my voice and the caption are aligned in the center. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.